Hi there! In this video, we're going to look at a small piece of Python code that draws a spiral using a simple for loop and the turtle library. We'll focus only on the loop part and explain what each line means in plain, simple English. Here's the code we're talking about. For I in range 10, me forward I times 5, me right 90. This loop runs 10 times, with I taking values from 0 to 9. We'll now dry run this loop, which means we'll write down the values of I5L, and the resulting turtle command for each iteration. Dry run, table. Let's make a table like this. I is 0, I times 5 is 0, me forward 0, me right 90. I is 1, I times 5 is 5, me forward 5, me right 90. I is 2, I times 5 is 10, me forward 10, me right 90. I is 3, I times 5 is 15, me forward 15, me right 90. I is 9, I times 5 is 45, me forward 45, me right 90. This is your dry run table. You can make one like this anytime you want to trace what a loop is doing. It helps break down the logic and see exactly what's happening inside the loop. So the turtle's path looks like this. Step 1, move 0. Right turn. Step 2, move 5. Right turn. Step 3, move 10. Right turn, and so on. Each forward move is longer than the last, which creates a spiral. The loop repeats 10 times. Each time I gets a new value from range 10. We substitute that value into I times 5s. The turtle moves forward and turns right. The shape spirals outward. This dry run method is a great way to understand loops. Just write down the values step by step. Try it yourself. Want to make a bigger spiral? Just change range 10 to something like range 30 and watch it grow. Thanks for watching. Now go write your own spiral code and have fun with it.